Alam nyo, most of the time, his stomach is bothering him. You know why? He's eating bad food.
My wife's stomach bothers her. Oh, I ate sticky rice.
Bago po kami magwala ni Tami sa kusina, andito po ako sa labas. Of course, sobrang init po ngayon at kailangan kong mag-cut kahit dito lang sa loob ng fence namin, no? Sinabihan ako ni Mister na dapat daw hindi ako mag-cut kasi sobrang init, no? Pero ang sabi ko, kaya ko ito, sanay po ako sa init. At nakita nyo naman, nag-change ako ng damit kasi po talaga ang init, like kumakain sa aking skin. At alam nyo namang itim na ako at may bubuyog pa, andi nahulog yung cellphone. Maglagay lang naman ako ng gas sa ating machine kasi konti na lang yung gas. And then bago tayo mag-start again sa labas ng ating fence, kailangan nating lagyan ng gas para hindi tayo magputol-putol ang trabaho. To be honest with you guys, ayoko sana talagang mag-cut. Pero kailangan ko kasi sabi pa ng app, may storm daw bukas.
What you mean by cigarettes?
Because you finish a bag for just one day.
It's not true. Same bag.
This is killing yourself.
That may be true.
No, that's not good.
That's really bad.
Hon, it's very hot, honey. Don't let the dog Roxy out.
Actually, don't want to come out.
Roxy can't take the
That's too
heat.
smart for that.
She can't take the heat. Nandun yung machine. So, dito kami sa labas magtambay. Nakaganito ako dahil init, and then maitim na nga ako. Mas lalo akong umitim sa kaya ito yung 93. That's why it's like killers. So yun, and ito yung raw vlog natin. Ito yung buhay ko dito kapag hapon na. I'm going to make a plate, hon. You should cook it properly, ha?
I'm cooking it properly. Make your plate.
Cook it properly. I don't want you get hurt. You don't listen to me. You never does. Does my...
Have a burger.
No, I'm not eating freezer burn.
You what?
I'm not eating freezer burn.
It's not freezer burn.
Yes, it is.
It is not, huh?
It is. I almost threw that out yesterday in the freeze from the
There's
freezer.
something wrong with you. Don't be throwing that food out. You don't know. You couldn't tell freezer burn if it like
I
bit you in the
can't.
ass. You can't.
I researched.
You obviously don't have a clue.
No, I galit. Hello, guys. He's so mad, guys.
No clue. Because you just throw things out. Well, I don't like the way it looks. Throw it out.
Alam nyo, most of the time, his stomach is bothering him. You know why? He's eating bad food.
My wife's stomach bothers her. Oh, I ate sticky rice. My stomach bothers me. Oh, I ate regular rice. My stomach
No,
bothers me.
I
Oh,
have-
I ate street My stomach bothers me. And
I am farty. You know why? Because you turn the fan and then I start farting. No, look at
I
guys.
wasn't even here yesterday. Like, oh, I ate sticky rice and now my stomach bothers me. Really?
That was today, honey.
That was this morning.
This after this lunch.
Whatever. This is like a daily routine with you. Every day your stomach bothers you. I'm a fan on every day.
So, kakain kami. Ganito kami kaingay. We're always very noisy when wala siyang sakit. How's your neck? You still have the pain, right?
Yeah, but it's better.
It's better.
It is better.
Are you pretending that I won't drug you?
No, I don't know if it's better because you pushed it out, or it's
Push.
Or it's better because I was carrying a spotlight on my neck yesterday.
Oh my God, there you go
Maybe it pushed in
again.
here and did something.
Now, nagkiri
Well,
daw
I
siya.
had to do it. But
Spotlight, you carry spotlight heavy thing. This
I had to go over my
is what I said, guys. When he's working and he's in pain, he carry heavy things because for what? You are not a cargador.
A cargador?
You're not a cargador. Why you
Maybe I am
carry?
a cargador. Maybe a cargador.
What?
Maybe I'm a cargador.
Kagato. What? No.
A cargador.
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 Yeah.
I am not a car door.
A laborer.
Maybe a car.
You know, you
I'm
don't.
not a car door.
Han, you don't do a labor. You don't do carry things for work. Yes, we are very noisy and he's preparing his lunch dinner. No, I have.
Corny.
I really want these vegetables.
What else you want?
You know, Tommy love my cooking, mga loves, but this time he doesn't eat my cooking. It makes me sad. I think he's afraid if I poison him.
I overheard her talking to a friend.
Han?
She said, this is the week.
This is
I gotta
the...
get rid of him now before it gets worse.
You're ridiculous.
He's in more pain. He's coming harder to deal with. I gotta get rid of him now.
Han!
That's what it is.
Stop it. You're like ridiculous. Is that what you think? Is that what you think of
Time
me?
for him to go.
Is that what you think of me? Is that what you think of me?
What, little man?
Guys.
Chicken.
No, I don't want chicken. I don't want a fried chicken again. I'd rather eat my vegetables. Wala. Magkaiba talaga yung gusto namin mga loves. This is what he likes. Look at it's splashing everywhere. Oh.
Sit down and eat your food. Stop talking about my slices.
So, magkaiba talaga yung food namin. Ako naman is, ito, nag-cut siya ng kanyang tomato, onion, and then this is mine.
So I can be there and eat before you even finish. Just slow it down. It's only lunchtime, in fact.
Nagluto siya. Alam niyo bakit siya yung nagluto? Kasi, na ano siya dahil, no, I don't want too much sugar with that. And, na ano siya ba kasi ako yung nagputol ng damo, so sabi pa niya sa akin siya daw yung magluto ng pagkain niya at gustong gusto na miss niya yung burger. You know you have a lot of good burger downstairs, love.
These are good burgers.
No, the good one that you made.
I know, but I like these two.
Sarap.
I don't have these.
Sarap ng aking adobo. Adobong sitaw with beef, ano? So this is the burger of my husband, mga loves. Oh, tignan nyo naman yan. Oh, grabe ang taas-taas ng burger ni Mister.
One burger, slice it in half, make a double out of it.
Diba? O, sige na, eat na dong. Kain na dodong. Dodong tummy. And this is mine. Oh my God, mine is better, honey.
No way.
Yes, mine is nicer and tastier and yummier. No chance.
No chance.
No chance.
This is my burger. I could have put a jalapeno on it.
Hala, it's juicy. It is juicy, love.
Good idea.
Hala, it's bloody, honey.
Not bloody.
It's bloody mess. Ang saya niya sa burger niya. Masaya sa burger niya. Oh my God, you make it 4 pieces?
2 pieces.
Mine is good, mga loves. Let's
Look at
eat.
them all staring at me.
Yeah, let's eat. Oh my goodness, looks. Hala, Han, looks, ano, Han? Legit. Looks legit, love. Hala, uy, everything is full apart. Oh my God, what a mess. Get a little air in there. It is. Yeah, it's gonna explode, honey. Walang basura ang dalawa. Dalawa ang tapos.
I'm too short.
Yeah, it's the thing. It's your order for a decade ago. So yun guys, tara guys. Ano na oras? 7 something na ba? So ano pa ba? Time to eat! Lunchtime, come on! So hindi ka talaga magugutom sa bahay dahil ang daming pagkain. Magpasalamat tayo sa taas dahil palagi tayong may pagkain. So yun. So ngayon, maghuna-huna ako kung unsay kaonon kay ang akong tiyan, mura na jud og mahiyak. Charot, dako na dahito. But anyway, si Tami nag-order siya ng ano, pamain po nito. Pamain po nito. Nag-order si Tami, o bumili si Tami ng fried chicken. Iwan ko na lang sa kanya kung bakit. So, pamain po sa ating pasta. So, ito pamain. And then, pamain po sa ating English muffin. Pamain. Nasakpan pero hindi ko lang. Ay. My husband is, what are you doing? No, yeah, I know. Oy, nakahubad man siya. Sabi ba na, no camera. I love it, love. I love it. No, oy, nahuli pero di ko, love.